Most common primary tumor of diaphragm is lipoma. Most common location of intraventricular meningioma is atrium of lateral ventricle. Most common cause of false positive VQ scan for acute pulmonary embolism is previous pulmonary embolism. Most common cause of non-iatrogenic cause of small bowel obstruction is hernia. Most common location in the spine for osteochondroma is cervical C2 followed by a thoracic TB. Most common radiation-induced CNS tumor is meningioma. Most common indication for percutaneous vertebroplasty is osteoporosis. Most common form of carpal instability is DISI. Most common cause for late failure in lung transplant patient is bronchiolitis obliterans. Most common cause of pulmonary tumor embolism is gastric carcinoma. Most common cause of exocrine pancreatic insufficiency in patients lesser than 30 years of age is CF. Most common cause of large pleural fluid collection in the newborn period is pseudothorax. Most common congenital heart and neck cyst in child is Thrombus cyst. Most common reason for cardiac transplantation is dilated cardiomyopathy. Most common cause of pulmonary hypoplasia is diaphragmatic hernia. Most common cause of aortic stenosis is valvular. Most common nerve to be involved in the transternal syndrome is posterior tibial nerve. Most common location of oligodendrogloma frontal lobe. Most common location in biliary tree for cholangiocarcinoma is upper third or perihilar region. Most common recognized CNS manifestation of VHL disease is immunoblastoma of CNS. Most common cause of facial hemiplegia is Bell palsy. Most common relevant finding on cavogram for IVC filter placement is circumaortic left renal vein. Most common location of myelomorphic xanthoastrocytoma is temporal lobes. Most common ILD to be found in associated with collagen vascular disease is NSIP. Most common cause of pseudoerythroid bladder tumor. Most common congenital defects of CNS is anencephaly. Most common cause of esophageal rupture is iatrogenic. Most common cause of large choroid plexus cyst is trisomy 18. Most common finding of contralateral kidney in MCKD is reflux. Most common cause of pseudomyxoma peritonei is appendiceal mucinous adenocarcinoma. Most common renal fusion anomaly is Horseshoe kidney. Most common intramedullary tumor in children is astrocytoma. Most common cause of pleural eosinophilia is ER in the pleural space. Most common location of well-differentiated liposarcoma thigh. Most common adenogenetic mass is adenotoligenic hamartoma small formation. Most common fluid collection is seen in transplanted patients. Lymphocytes. Most common renal mass in 3rd month old infant is mesoblastic nephroma. Most common location of pulmonary sequencing posterior medial lobar. Most common cause of end-stage renal disease is diabetic nephropathy. Most common cause of postpartum fever is endometriosis. Most common neoplasm of gastrointestinal tract in patient with NF1 neurofibromatosis. Most common congenital anomaly CNS in live birth is myelomeningocele.